Okay, so this tutorial is how to log into Infinite Campus. So you can see I'm already on the web page, but this is because I have mine bookmarked, and I have it bookmarked here, and I just clicked on it and I've saved all my information in there. But for you, if you don't have it bookmarked yet, you'll want to go to HesperiaUSD.org, the Hesperia Unified School District website. And then up at the top is, it says Infinite Campus for Staff. And you click there and it takes you to the same login page. And then your login is your first name dot your last name. And then your password is your birthday. So it has 2 month, 2 days, and 4 of the year for your password. It's the same that you use to log into the Wi-Fi as a staff. But if you have questions about that, just let me know. And then you sign in. And when you sign in, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up the account settings, the things that you'll be able to see. So what you'll need to do is go over here to the 9 dots, just like on Google Drive, and click on it. And then go over to Campus Instruction. And it'll change, and you'll see that it looks very different. So again, you go to the 9 dots, and it'll come up and you see, click on Campus Instruction. And so you'll see over here, it says Campus Instruction. This is pretty much where you'll be most of the time. This is where gradebook is, attendance, everything. So you want to make sure that you're always in Campus Instruction when you're using this. I'll kind of go over the other things later. This is kind of how you can get help with things that you don't know how to do. But anyways, so you'll want to go over here to the left and scroll down to the bottom and go to Account Settings. And this is where you're going to set up what it is you want to see on your information that you see. So these boxes should all be unchecked for you, and so you'll want to make sure that if you want to show just your active students, you don't want to see students who have dropped, you would click this. If you want to have the student ID number, you'd click this. I personally like both of those things. If you want to be able to see their picture, you would check on that box. I use that for seating charts for my substitutes, because then they can see who the students are. And if you want to use a seating chart for attendance, you would click this box. And I'm going to show you how to do that in another tutorial. But so if you end up wanting to use a seating chart, I would just click the box. And then up here, you'll want to make sure it says select the application you would prefer to load on Campus Login. I am going to suggest you have it go to Campus Instruction automatically, just because that's where everything is that you're going to use. And then just make sure you save it. And then all of these things will now pop up, and this is how your thing will log in. So if I logged off and signed back in, it will show up directly on Campus Instruction, and I don't have to go over here and choose a different thing. So that's how you set it up initially.